Good morning to all. Let us complete the chapter number 22, that is simple 2D problems involving right triangles. Already I have completed the exercise. Let me solve some short answer type unit test last portion of the exercise, that is chapter test. Chapter name is simple 2D problems, 2D two-dimensional problems involving right triangles. See chapter 22. Exercise already completed. 22 number exercise completed. I am going the unit test, like unit test, the last portion of the exercise. Few questions I'll do today. Just see. From number 10 I'm doing. If sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 26 by 5, find the value of sin square theta plus cosec theta. See the question. What is given and what you have to find out. Okay. Question number 10. Just see how to solve. See the question number 10. Sin theta plus cosec theta is equal to 26 by 5, it is given. And you have to find out the value of sin square theta plus cosec theta. Do one thing, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. What will get? 26 by 5 whole square. Sin theta plus cosec theta whole square formula is what? Sin square theta. A square plus b square. Sin square theta plus cosec theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 26 whole square. You have to find out. Squaring both sides, applying a plus b whole square formula, sin square theta plus cosec theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 26 whole square is 676 by 5 whole square 25. Then sin square theta plus cosec square theta, this will be sin theta and cosec theta is what? 1. Reciprocal theorem, 2 into 1 2 equal to 676 by 25. 2 taken that side, therefore sin square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to 676 by 25 minus 2. Taking LCM, this will be 676 minus 25 to the 50. Finally getting how much? 676 minus 50, this will be 626 by 25. This is the result. Number 10 completed. Let us go next number. Question number 12. If theta is equal to 30 degree, prove that 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That means first part, 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So first of all, write left hand side, 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square 30 degree minus 1. 2 into cos 30 equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus 1. This will be root 3 by 4. 2 to cancel. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means root 3 into root 3 by 4. 2 to the 4 minus 1. This is 3 by 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1. You are getting 1 by 2. And the right hand side, you see how much coming. Right hand side is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square 30 degree. That means 1 minus 2 sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. You will get 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. In this way, the first part is proved. The second part, you see, the second part question given. The second part question given, you have to prove 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. First you write right hand side. The right hand side is cos 3 theta. 3 into 30. That means cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Then left hand side, that is 4 cos cube theta. 4 cos cube theta means 30 degree minus 3 cos 30 degree. That is 4 cos cube is root 3 by 2 whole cube minus 3 This is root 3 by 2. You see root 3 whole cube is 3 root 3 by 8 means 3 root 3 by 8 means 4 to 8 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2 become 0. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right. In this way number 12 second part also completed. Let us see next part. Next number I am doing number 13. It is given sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 degree. Where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Just to do one thing here, sin 3a we can write here cos 90 minus 2a. Cos 90 minus 2a is equal to sin 3a, and here cos a minus 26 degree. Now comparing both sides, we will get 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 26 degree. Therefore 90 plus 26 it will be a plus 2a. A plus 2 means what? 3a. 3a is equal to 116 degree. Therefore a is equal to how much? 116 by 3. 3 3 is 9. 2 left. 3 8 is 24. 24. 2 by 3 degree. A is equal to 38 degree. 38 by 2 by 3 degree. Okay, you can convert degree minute also. Then this will be normally 38 degree 2 by 3 into 60, 340 minute. 38 degree 40 minute. Okay, because 2 by 3 into 60, 2 into 20, that is 40 minutes. You have to convert 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Number 13 completed. Okay, let us go number 15 number. Question number 15, see what is given here. Solve for x. Solve for x. There are two parts are there. 3 cos square x minus 5 degree equal to 1. Second part cos square 30 degree plus sin square 2x equal to 1. Let's see how to solve question number 15. Number 15. Number 15, first write first part. What is given? It is given 3 cos square x minus 5 degree is equal to 1. It is given and you have to find out the value of x. So this implies cot square means cot x minus 5 degree how much? 1 by 3 root over, that means 1 by root 3. Cot x minus 5, you have to write in terms of cot. 1 by root 3 means cot 60, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3, cot 60 degree. Comparing both sides, x is equal to 65, x minus 5 equal to 60, therefore x is equal to 65. The second part, see. Second part question given number 15. It is given cos square 30 degree plus sin square 2x. Sin square 2x is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus sin square 2x equal to 1. That means sin square 2x equal to 1 minus root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4. This will be 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. That means that will be sin 2x will be 1 by 4 root over means 1 by 2. You have to write sin 2x in terms of sin 1 by 2 means sin 30 degree. Sin 30. Therefore 2x equal to 30 degree. So this implies x is equal to 15 degree. Therefore number 15 second part completed, x is equal to 15 degree. In this way few questions are completed from the chapter 22. Thank you for today's class. Next day I'll do more solve.